Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up custom LED lamp notifications on Cat S53. For this we'll need to open a Google Play Store. Now inside let's find an app called Notify Buddy. Install it. When it's ready, you can open this app and here move to the next step. Grant 2 different permissions. And the last right here is battery optimization, which is optional to disable. I'm gonna leave it enabled. Let's proceed. From here the app is ready and we can begin using it. There's 4 different tabs: user right here, system, active, and the settings. In user you can find all apps that you've installed on this device and pick them to allow for a custom LED lamp notifications. In this case let's select Opera. Next is the system. Inside there's all system bound apps and you can do the same thing. In active there's all apps that you've just activated. And in the settings, you can customize the LED lamp with different size, shape, placement on the screen, or a color. Let's click on the test button to see the LED lamp, and it should be right here in the top left corner of the screen. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.